In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for a user in Snowflake. Multi-factor authentication is an essential security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts. However, there might be instances where you need to disable it for a specific user, perhaps for troubleshooting purposes or to allow for different security measures. As we go through this process, I'll provide a clear and detailed guide to ensure you can follow along and execute these steps with confidence. First, we need to identify which MFA method is currently in use for the user in question. To do this, you'll execute a specific SQL command. This command will list all the MFA methods associated with the particular user account. Here's how it works. You will use the command show MFA methods for user, followed by the actual username. Be sure to replace the placeholder text with the correct username you are targeting. This command will display a list, and from here, you'll need to note the name of the MFA method you want to remove. This step is crucial because you must know the exact method name in order to successfully disable it in the next step. Once you have identified the MFA method you wish to remove, the next step involves actually disabling it. This is done by executing another SQL command. You're going to use the alter user command. Follow it with the username and then remove MFA method, along with the specific MFA method name you wish to delete. Again, remember to replace the placeholder text with the actual username and MFA method name that you gathered from the previous step. By executing this command, you effectively remove the specified MFA method from the user's account. While this process mainly involves executing two SQL commands, it's important to handle these tasks with care. Accidentally removing the wrong MFA method or making changes to the wrong user account can lead to unintended security vulnerabilities or access issues. Ensure that you've double-checked the usernames and method names before proceeding with any irreversible command. Finally, I'd like to highlight that disabling MFA should be approached judiciously. Be aware of the implications it could have on your overall security posture. You may want to consider alternative security features or a temporary disabling of MFA only until the necessary adjustments are made. And with that, you've successfully learned how to disable MFA for a user in Snowflake. Keep this process in mind for the future, and remember to always prioritize security whenever making changes to authentication settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.